How do you say, my name is, in French? The phrase, my name is, in French, is je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. For example, Salut, je m'appelle Julien. Salut, je m'appelle Julien. Hi, my name is Julian. Literally, the phrase je m'appelle means I call myself. You can add et toi afterwards, meaning and you. Bonjour, je m'appelle Sophie. Et toi? Bonjour, je m'appelle Sophie. Et toi? Hello, I'm called Sophie. And you? Or if you want to be more formal, you can say et vous? Et vous? Instead of et toi. It also means and you, just using vous instead. Je m'appelle Michel. Et vous? Je m'appelle Michel. Et vous? I'm called Michel. And you? So, my name is, in French, is je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. It means my name is or I'm called. If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME on checkout, you can get a discount.